Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Arunodayam's Biology. Today we are going to learn how do organisms obtain their nutrition topic from life processes chapter. How do organisms obtain their nutrition? So in our previous video we have seen that the method or the way the food is obtained by the organism differs from one organism to other, isn't it? So organisms perform different methods to obtain food material into their body. Some organisms will release digestive enzymes to outside onto the food material, digest them outside only and absorbs it. That means digestion takes place outside their body. In case of saprophytic nutrition, isn't it? While in case of parasitic nutrition, we have seen that organisms depends on the digested food of other organisms. The organisms in parasitic nutrition, they depends on the digested food of other organisms. And next, in case of holozoic nutrition, what we have seen is organisms will take the food which is as it is, and inside the body with the help of some enzymes they will digest it. So the organisms are showing different methods to obtain food. Some are digesting the food outside their body, some are digesting the food inside their body, some are taking already digested food. So just like that, as the method differs, here digestive system also differs from one organism to other organism. Digestive system also different from one organism to other organism. For example, in case of unicellular organisms like Amoeba, Paramoecium, we can see that their body has only one cell, isn't it? Their body has only one cell. So how they obtain food is by using their entire body surface. In case of single cell organisms, their body is covered with a membrane called as plasma membrane, isn't it? So these organisms will take the food material by using their entire body surface. Through their entire body surface, the food enters into their body and digestion takes place inside. Okay, as the complexity of the organism increases, that means in case of multicellular organisms, that means as the cells increases in the body, that means in case of multicellular organisms, we can see some specialized parts are present in their digestive system. Some specialized parts are present which perform different functions. So in case of multicellular organisms, so many parts, that means specialized parts are present in their digestive system to perform different functions. So likewise, a digestive system is different from different organism. Let us see how nutrition takes place in case of single-celled organisms like amoeba. We know that amoeba is a single-celled organism, contains only one cell. So how nutrition takes place here is, the method of nutrition in case of amoeba is called as endocytosis. Endocytosis, which means the process in which food is taken into the body of the organism, just like as it engulfed it, as it swallowed it. So the process of entry of food material into the organism is like as if the organism has swallowed the food material. So that type of process of taking food is called as endocytosis. So here during nutrition, the amoeba produces some false leg-like structures called as pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podium means legs. Podium means leg, single cellular, podia means legs. So what happens here is, actually this is amoeba, it does not have any shape. This is nucleus, it has so much cytoplasm in it, and the covering outer covering layer is called as plasma membrane. Okay, whenever food is available to amoeba, amoeba moves towards the food with the help of some cytoplasmic extensions called as pseudopodia. So they produce cytoplasmic extensions, and these extensions looks like legs, isn't it? They are looking like legs, and they are called as false legs. Why? Because they are for temporary purpose. The pseudopodia are meant only for movement, that means from moving from one part or one location to other location, and for food capture. So for movement and for food capture only pseudopodia are produced here. So these pseudopodia, with the help of this pseudopodia, the amoeba will move towards the food material and tries to cover the food material with their pseudopodia. Finally, when the two pseudopodia unite, the food literally enters into amoeba. It just looking like the amoeba has swallowed the food material, isn't it? So after that, the two pseudopodia will unite with each other. Thus, the food enters into amoeba, forms a food vacuole. So inside the food vacuole, some digestive enzymes are present. So here, with the help of digestive enzymes, the food will get digested. After that, the digested food will diffuses into cytoplasm of amoeba. If any undigested or unwanted food material is left, that food material will move out of the body of amoeba through this plasma membrane. So this is how nutrition in case of amoeba takes place. The process is called as endocytosis, which uses a pseudopodia for engulfing the food material and also for movement. That's it. Let us see how nutrition takes place in case of Paramoecium. Paramoecium. So Paramoecium is also a unicellular organism which lives in water. Let us see how nutrition takes place in Paramoecium. So this is the structure of Paramoecium. It is a slipper shaped. It has a slipper shaped body. It has a definite body, whereas amoeba does not has any shape, no. But Paramoecium has a slipper shaped body. Its body has a cilia. Body is covered with so many thread-like structures called as cilia. With the help of this cilia only, the Paramoecium will move from one place to another place to search the food material. Okay, so here Paramoecium has a specific spot in its body to take food into from outside to the body. So a Paramoecium has a specific spot which will help in taking food from outside into the body. So that is oral groove. So whenever food is available to Paramoecium, with the help of cilia, it will move towards the food material, and through this oral groove the food enters into the oral groove. Here a spot is present called as cytostome. So the food enters into cytostome. Then after it forms a vacuole called as food vacuole. Okay, so in this food vacuole, with the help of some digestive enzymes, the food is digested step by step. Later, the digested food will diffuse into the cytoplasm of the Paramoecium's body. If any undigested or waste food material is present, with the help of this anal pore, so Paramoecium body has an opening at its bottom called as anal pore. Through this anal pore, the waste food will move out of the body into surrounding water. This is how nutrition takes place in case of Paramoecium. So the food enters into body through a groove called as oral groove, and from here the food enters into cytostome, and here food vacuole is produced, digested with the help of digestive enzymes step by step, and hence food enters into cytoplasm. Digested food enters into cytoplasm, and waste food will move out through the anal pore. So that is about nutrition in case of unicellular organisms, amoeba and Paramoecium. So already we have discussed in the starting of our video the way the food is obtained differs, no. So likewise digestive system also differs in different organisms. So in that way we have seen how digestion takes place in case of unicellular organisms like amoeba and Paramoecium, which is very simple. Just by forming a food vacuole, the food is getting digested. But in case of multicellular organisms, the digestive system is very complex in nature. So we are going to learn about it in our next video. By taking human beings as an example, by taking our digestive system as an example, we are going to learn how nutrition takes place in case of human beings. Some specialized organs are present, some specialized digestive enzymes are present. So how it takes place, we are going to learn in our next video. That's it. That is about our topic today. Hope you understand this topic. If you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to ask me in comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.